Hi, I'm Shayna and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. If you're new, please like and subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so let's get into this box. Actually, before we do that, real quick, for those of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service where you go online and you answer some questions about your style and your sizes, and then an online stylist selects 5 items of clothing. They also have some shoes and accessories if you're interested in that, and they send them to you. You get to try them on, obviously, and then you can choose what to keep, and you only pay for what you keep. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount off the subtotal. Your first box is free. Check the link in the description box below if you want to try it for yourself. It's risk-free for your first time. And then after that, it's a $20 styling fee that you pay in order to receive the box and the 5 items to try and broaden your style. And then if you keep anything, the $20 goes towards the purchase of that item. So say you like one top and it's $30, you have the $20 already credited towards it, and you just pay the additional $10 when you go to check out on their website. Alright, let's get into this box. So the first item here, ooh, this is cute. It's a little V-neck graphic tee in like a dark gray, and it says smile in embroidery there, and it's from the brand Paper Moon in a size 2X. Alright, the next item is another top from Paper Moon in a 2X. This is a really pretty, it says it has tulip sleeves, and it's a beautiful blue, peach, and yellow, and with a white background. That looks very nice for spring. Alright. Next we have, looks like another top. This is from the brand Cupio, also in a size 2X. It's a V-neck with a dusty pink t-shirt stretch material in the front with a little front chest pocket, and then it has like a less stretchy printed material in the back. So it's one of those mixed material with the front is different from the back. And next, let's see what this is. This looks like a tank top. Again from the brand Cupio in a size 2X. Ooh, this is cute. It's a little blue and white striped V-neck tank. Nice wide straps, and then it has like sort of V striping in blue and white. And it feels like a nice lightweight stretch material, good for the warmer weather coming up. And the last item, is a pair of pants. It looks like they may be cropped pants in a size 20 from the brand Lila Ryan, and it's in this really bright green, teal green, I would say. It's more green than blue. The material feels really soft. It feels like it has good stretch, but not like flimsy kind of stretch where they're going to be falling down. Ooh, I love this color. This could be really cute with that floral top, and a really nice fun spring addition to my wardrobe. Let's hope they fit nicely. Here's the first outfit. These are the Lila Ryan Doriana skinny jean in a size 20. They have a nice high rise, a good amount of stretch, but not so much stretch that they feel like they're gonna fall down. They're like a capri length with the sewn in cuff at the bottom, which I actually don't usually go for sort of ankle length pants. So these could be something cute for spring. I love the color. It's really nice and bright. They don't have real front pockets, but they do have real pockets in the back. They're, I think, a good fit for my apple shape. And then this is the tulip blouse from Paper Moon, and it's in a 2X. And I think it's very pretty, and it actually makes a cute outfit with these pants. It doesn't have really any stretch, but it's a good fit over my hips and my widest part. This top is also from the brand Paper Moon in a 2X, and it's a great casual graphic tee. It has a little embroidered smile here, a nice V-neck. It's like a average, nice stretchy t-shirt material. I like the fit. It's a good length, not too long, but you know, covers my lower tummy. The sleeves are nice and roomy and a good length. I like how the V comes, not too high or not too low. And I think it's always nice to have, you know, some positive affirmations on your clothes. We can always remember to smile and take life a little less seriously. So this is overall really cute and something I would say is my style. I think this dark gray, almost gray blue background is a little bit boring, but overall I really think it's a cute shirt. I'm just keeping these pants on with all the tops since they're the only pants that came in the box, but I don't think I would style these together. This top is just another casual V-neck. This one is from the brand Cupio, also in a size 2X. I think I like the fit. It's a nice fit, not too tight and not too baggy. A good V-neck again, which is what I prefer. It has a cute little breast pocket on one side. And then what makes this a little more exciting is it has a different material and a little bit of a high-low with the back being longer and in a different print. I did notice that the back panel there is quite see-through, but you know, it's nothing really that you need to hide in particular back there. This sort of dusty rose color, I like it in general and I like it on other people, but it's not usually a color that I feel like is very flattering with my coloring, but I do like it, so I'll have to kind of look at the footage and get your all's take on whether this might be a keeper or not. Give you a closer look here, and that print on the back. And both the front and the back do have some stretch. The front obviously has more stretch because it's more of like a light t-shirt type material. So, on to the next. This tank top also from the Cupio brand in a size 2X. This reminds me of a tank top that I believe I got in a Stitch Fix box. It may be the same brand and kind of the same style. I really like the fit of this. I like the wide straps, so you can still, you know, wear a regular bra. I like the V-neck. I like how it flows out, you know, subtly for a nice comfortable fit over the tummy, but without being, you know, hugely oversized. It has a subtle blue and white sort of V stripe and then a seam down the center, which I think is kind of a flattering print. And the material is nice and light with a good amount of stretch, a little less than like a t-shirt stretch. It's a little bit woven, but again very light. And I think this would be a great top for spring and summer and warmer days. Here's a closer look at the nice sort of white and blue, and it kind of has some variation in the tones of blues. And then the center seam here, And there's a little seam accent along the collar too, and along the edges of the sleeves. And that just shows you how it kind of flows and hangs pretty nicely. So it comes down fairly far in the back. So, alright, that's the 5th item in the box. Let's sit down and check prices. I'm really excited about this box. I think it might be a 5 for 5. Alright, so they also send you a little note with a styling card. I'm going to see if I can show you that. So you can see the 5 pieces and some ideas on how they would style them. Which I think is, I really am enjoying. Look at the prices now. Dun dun dun. Alright, so I'm gonna, I think, kind of go just in the order they're listed here. The pants from Lila Ryan are called the Doriana Skinny Jean in teal green, size 20, are listed for $98. Whew. But I really did like them, and they're really unique, which is cool. We'll see. Alright, the Paper Moon Smile graphic knit top. It says it's navy, which I sort of thought it was a dark gray, but it does have some blue undertone to it. And a 2X is $34. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. The other Paper Moon, the Bastille Tulip Sleeve Blouse, white, in a 2X is $38. And the Cupio Blush Brando Contrast Back Knit Top in dark pink in a 2X, $34. And finally, the Cupio Blush Maria V-neck knit top in blue, size 2X for $38. And I actually got this box for free because I didn't like anything in my last box. And so when I reviewed it, they sent me an email and said, hey, let us try again. So I didn't pay the $20 styling fee this time. So it's like the same as if it was my first free box or your first free box. So the subtotal comes to $242. If I buy all 5 things, the 25% discount would take off $60.50, and my new subtotal would be $181.50 for all 5 items. I think I'm going to keep it all, guys. I just really like everything, and it's not, I like enough that it's not worth sending, you know, probably my least favorite is that dark pink top. It's not bad, it's just not the best color, and it's not something I would, you know, be really excited about, but I like it and it fits good. So in consideration of that, with the 25% discount, I think I'm just gonna go for it all and keep it all. What was your favorite piece in this box? Any tips on what I should ask for in my next fix? Oh, and just real quick, today is St. Patrick's Day, so hopefully I'll get it uploaded today. So happy St. Patrick's Day if you celebrate. Check out my little 4-leaf clover earrings. And this green cross neck top, I believe I got from a Dia & Co box that I also posted on my channel. So please check that out if you're interested in that. All right. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix for yourself, check out that link for your first box free. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. Please leave any comments. I'd love to hear your feedback and to hear about your experience with Stitch Fix or other fashion videos that you're interested in. Have a wonderful day.